Hey everyone, my name's Cass, the Visa Girl, and today I'm going to talk to you about sponsoring your spouse or fiance to the United States. One of the most popular ways of immigrating to the United States is through marriage of an American citizen or an American permanent resident / green card holder. When you marry or plan to marry an American citizen or green card holder, they're able to sponsor you to come as a permanent resident yourself. There are 3 different categories for spousal sponsorship. Number 1, marriage. In order for a U.S. citizen to sponsor a foreign spouse to the U.S., they must be able to prove the validity of the relationship, as well as being able to prove that they are financially stable enough to support their spouse within the U.S. Minor children of the sponsored spouse may also accompany their parent. Number 2, same-sex sponsorship. Same-sex relationships are filed in the same manner as those of an opposite-sex spouse. Although they are considered a different category, they are still processed the same and still require the same forms and proof of relationship. Number 3, fiancés. In order to bring a foreign fiancé to the United States to live and marry, once a foreign fiancé arrives within the U.S., they must marry their U.S. citizen sponsor within 90 days of arrival. There are 3 requirements to prove that the engagement is legitimate. Both individuals must be legally free to marry. The marriage must be legally possible according to the laws of the U.S. state in which the marriage will take place. And both individuals must have proof of meeting in person within the last 2 years. The wait time for a U.S. spousal visa varies on a case-to-case basis. Due to high demand, an individual could be placed on a waitlist for about 4 years. However, it is important to note that this number is variable. The hardest part about sponsoring a spouse or fiancé to the United States is providing the proof of legitimate marriage or engagement. For these reasons, it is difficult to get a petition approved when there's not solid evidence of a true relationship. Therefore, an individual seeking to sponsor a spouse, partner, or fiancé to the United States must ensure that they are going through the process as effectively as possible by following the right steps. Hiring an immigration lawyer can often be a helpful tool during this process. If you like this video and you want to hear more from us, be sure to click subscribe on our Immigration Tube channel so that you never miss a video. My name is Cass, and I'll see you guys next week.